Now that you've seen just an overview of how to explicitly include the framework in each learning module, what I'm going to try to do is go through and just give some practical examples of things and how to set those up in Instructure. And first one we're going to do is create an assignment where a student will produce a 3 to 5 minute video that explains the course outcomes, which they should have read in the syllabus, and how those outcomes may be relevant to their personal career outcomes. So we go back to our course website, and let's do this as an approve assignment. Well, let's do it as a prepare assignment. I'm going to add, and we're going to make this as an assignment, new, and this will say prepare how do course outcomes relate to your career. And you can give it a few points, let's say 5, and put in a deadline. Let's make it before class. Let's say class is at 9 o'clock, and we'll say it's 8:40 a.m. And we would add the assignment. And you have to click on it and add. And you can drag these and put it where you want it. Okay, so I would drag and drop it up. So I'm going to click on it now to modify it. As you can see, there's no content telling them what to do. So you've got to get in here and edit your assignment and say, please create a video that explains, and then you just say, what you're going to have them explain. Now you've got to make sure that you change this so it allows the submission. So this is going to be an online submission, and you want it to be a media recording. And you might also want to allow them to do a text entry. You probably don't need to enable turn it in on this because your focus will be on the video, and you update. Okay, so now that is created, and we can, let's see here, I'm going to update that. So I think that's set up now, and I can go back, and whenever students see this, they know it's something that they should know that that's something that they're going to submit. And when the student does it, they would click on it, and they'll have an option here that will allow them to submit. In fact, what I'll do is I'll go and log in as Kimball Junk Mail, and hopefully I'll be able to show that to you. I'll have to come back to that later to show the student's perspective, but the basic idea is when they create that, they can click on an icon which enables their webcam, and they submit it. So I'll come back to that later. The main thing I wanted to show here was the creation of an assignment where a student could upload their video, and that's what I've just done. So aloha.